Okay, we left in this point. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press here and close this window. And if I need it again, all I have to do is go to my help and then click in start here. If I click here, I have this window again, and then I can go and select the options that I need. Okay, let's close that. And now what I'm going to show you, what I want to show you is how the interface is distributed inside this program. First thing, we have in this area our main menu, and if you know, obviously you see in this kind of menu in a lot of different applications. We have file, edit, and all these different commands, and this is our main menu, okay? This text. After that, we have our shelves, okay? And here we can see different tools in this section, okay? And we have another section for our lights and particles, and this is another shelf where we can see different options, all right? And after that, what we have is our views, okay? Different views, scene view, where we can see our scene, how we work in this mode, excuse me. Then we have channel editor for animation, tweaking our keyframes. Render view, where we can see our render images. Composite view for compositing purposes. And that's it. Then after that, what we have here is our view panel or viewport. And here we can see all it's like our monitor, where we can have the reference of all our scenes, right? Then we have this section in my left side, okay, here where you can see this arrow and this menu. We have all these tools and we can use them wherever we want. We have another section here for our viewport. These tools are for our viewport. Then we have our parameters tab or parameters palette or panel, whatever you want to call it. Take list, our takes in this section. And please forgive me, I didn't tell you that we have this auto takes menu right here, and we're going to talk about this later. And we have this main for our takes. Okay, so below these two sections, we have these three different tabs or folders. You can see we have our scenes, our levels. Then we have our tree view, okay. Then we have our material palette or tab or palette or a panel, whatever you want to call them. Then we have here our timeline, okay. We can move to a specific frame. And after that, we have this information section. If you can see when I place my cursor, you can see how it changed its color. And now you can see select geometry, then choose an operation to perform. And here we have another options for our timeline in this section. And then we have these options for cooking our geometry and a lot of different things. So that's how the interface is distributed inside Houdini. And let's move to the next movie. See you.